Hello students, good morning. Myself Archana Upadhyay and today I am going to tell you poster making. Poster making is an important part of writing skill and it carries 4 marks and word limit for poster making is 40 to 50 words. So, here I am telling you some important things so you could make your posters better. First of all, we need to know what is a poster. So, posters are placards displayed in a public place announcing or advertising something. Posters are notices Posters are notices, advertisements, and invitation all in one. Means through posters we can give the notice, we can advertise for our things, and we can invite also. Suppose we are having any coaching center and we want the students to join. Through poster we can send notice. It is of course an advertisement and it is invitation also for the students to join. Now, what is the purpose of a poster? So, the purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness about issues related to current problems and needs, or to advertise, or even to extend public invitation and display notices. Now, drafting posters. Posters should be colorful, attractive, and tempting. It is the most important thing that, as you know, attraction is a very important thing. Whatever we are having, it should be attracted and it fascinate the people. So, it should be colorful, attractive, and tempting. It must be drafted carefully to attract the attention of the readers, excite their imagination, and influence their minds. Next is posters are read from a distance. As you know, on roadsides, we can see so many posters for different companies, school, and different invitations, informations. So, don't give many details in a poster, highlight only the important things, important issues. Now, I should tell you the main features of a poster. First of all, layout. Layout, it should be visually attractive, means eye catching. People, whatever is drafted, people should be interested in reading it. Then, suggestive title. Whatever you are going to tell, title shows each and everything. Seeing the title, people should know what you want to tell them. Use slogan also. You can use slogan, jingle, or short verse. Sketch or simple drawing. Okay, the drawing should be simple. You can use letters of different size and shapes to catch the attention, and proportionate spacing, etc. Content, it is the second part. Whatever content you are using, the theme or subject of the poster, it must be clear. description or details associated with the theme. You should give them. Essential details like time, date, venue. Suppose it is about this, then give all these details properly. And name of issuing authority or organization is also must. Now expressions. Phrases, slogans, persuasive language. These are the attracting feature for a poster. You should be creative while drafting a poster. Creativity in terms of content and design both. Overall organization and sequencing of the matter. It is the most important thing. Sequence of anything. Suppose something is the starting thing, something whatever it is, if it is going to be the starting point of the thing and you are writing it is in last, there is no value of this. So you should use proper sequence whatever you are writing about. Observe word limit. As I have already told you in starting, you have to follow the word limit of 50. Here I am giving you some examples. Seeing the question, you can see how we can write a poster, how we can draft a poster. But keep in mind, it should be colorful and attractive. These are black and white, but you should use your own creativity using colors and jingles and slogans and different size of letters, and you can use different shapes and sizes. In this book Our Best Friend, you are having here some slogans are given and shapes are also there, is a picture of a book also. So it is the thing of your creativity. So use your creativity as much as you want to make your poster more and more attractive. Here I have given you so many examples. You can write down in your notebooks also, and for different topics I have given you. It is cultural and sports events, and then it is about general things. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to write a good poster and you will use it to make your poster good. Thank you.